Welcome to another Royal Family meeting. Welcome. If you are new here, I am your host, the Royal Baddie. I'm glad to have you a part of the Royal family. If you are returning, thank you for coming back, Baddie. I'm glad to have y'all at yet another Royal family meeting. Okay, in today's Baddie business meeting, I'm just basically going to be showing y'all the slight preparation for our Valentine's Day launch, because we're coming up on 1 year. So I wanted to add more to the website. So we have a few new colors, these reds and these new browns, and then we got a mauve. And also, these don't have no labels, but we have a new lip gloss. It's called High Maintenance. It's going to replace the this lip gloss is going to replace the clear lip gloss. So we won't offer just plain clear lip gloss, but we'll have clear lip gloss with sequins in them. We have two different types of clear lip gloss, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, it's gonna be two different types. One is called Playgirl with Play Bunny sequins, and the other, this is the new one that is coming out for Valentine's Day. That is going to be called High Maintenance. So I'm thinking about doing, it has little sequins in it that says Dior. It has dollar signs. It has Chanel sequins. It comes in these 3 sizes. So it's gonna come in 3 sizes like all of our glosses. This is 8 milliliter, this is 15 milliliter, and this is 5 milliliter. So yeah, it's gonna come in these 3 sizes, but as you can see, there's not many sequins in these. So I'm gonna order more, and then for the lip glosses that's gonna be shipped out to you guys, there's gonna be way more sequins than you see right now. So I just tried it out to see like how I would like it, and now I'm gonna order more sequins to make it a fuller effect. Before we hop into the video, if you would like to see the lip glosses we offer, you can check out RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com. and if you want to see more behind the scenes clips of Royal Baddie Cosmetics, you can check out our Instagram page, Royal Baddie Cosmetics. If you would like to catch more of my vibe, you can follow me on Instagram at the Royal Baddie. I'm more active there, like on certain days when I'm not active here. And then also, if you would like to listen to any of my music, you can on YouTube at the Royal Baddie. All the links are always in the description box, so you can just click and go. But yeah, I'm really just finna be showing y'all like me cleaning these tubes off and topping them off with the lids, topping them off with the wands, and putting the stoppers in them. And if you want to see how I made these stickers, if you want to see how I made these labels, I will link that above here to show you guys how I made it with Cricut. I think I showed you guys 2 different videos, and I believe I did. I showed you guys how I created the entire label and like the whole process. So if you want to learn how to make labels, go check out them videos. Those are very helpful and in-depth, very beginner friendly. And yeah, let's just hop right into the video. say, if you guys wanted to see how I got to these colors exactly, then you can check out the Baddie business playlist. Everything is linked in the Baddie business playlist, these exact colors and how I got to it and stuff. And also I forgot to do a, what's that called? I forgot to do an outro. So I hope you guys enjoyed this Baddie business meeting. Let me know what type of content you want to see from me. If you want to catch more of my vibe, you can follow me on Instagram at RoyalBaddie, and you can listen to my music on YouTube at RoyalBaddie. And if you want to see more behind the scenes clips of RoyalBaddieCosmetics, check out our Instagram page, RoyalBaddieCosmetics. And go check out our website, RoyalBaddieCosmetics.com, to see what type of lip glosses you might like. And also to see when our new lip glosses launch. So until next time, Royal family, meeting adjourned. Mwah. Bye.